Unit 9.
Ability. Ability is a noun. An ability is the power or skill to do something. Lifeguards must have the ability to swim well. Now you say the word ability. Ability. Avoid. Avoid is a verb. To avoid something or someone is to keep away from it. They tried to avoid the mud, but they were not successful. Now you say the word avoid. Avoid. Bashful. Bashful is an adjective. Bashful means shy or not at ease, especially in a social setting. Why were you so bashful at the party? Now you say the word bashful. Bashful. Brief. Brief is an adjective. Brief means short in time, amount, or length. A 3-day vacation is too brief for me. Now you say the word brief. Brief. Compete. Compete is a verb. To compete is to try for something, such as a prize, to take part in a game or contest, or to play against another or others. In gym, students might compete in the 50-yard dash. Now you say the word compete. Compete. Consider. Consider is a verb. To consider is to think about or pay attention to something or someone. Be sure to consider your choices carefully. Now you say the word consider. Consider. Delightful. Delightful is an adjective. Delightful means very pleasing or wonderful. Going to a carnival is a delightful experience. Now you say the word delightful. Delightful. Honor. Honor is a noun. Honor is great respect, or a sign of respect, or a sense of what is right. They sent a card in honor of my birthday. Now you say the word honor. Honor. Honor is a verb. To honor is to respect or value something or someone. We should honor our teachers. Now you say the word honor. Reflex. Reflex is a noun. A reflex is an automatic response, usually very quick. My reflex is to jump at the sight of a spider. Now you say the word reflex. Reflex. Remark. Remark is a noun. A remark is a short statement. That was an unkind remark about their old shoes. Now you say the word remark. Remark. Remark is a verb. To remark is to say or mention or to give an opinion. Ask them to remark on the shape of the clouds. Now you say the word remark.